going to show you how to make this delicious, refreshing eggnog ice cream. Now that our milk has boiled, we want to just take it off the stove for a moment while we whisk together our eggs and sugar. You can either use a wire whisk or you can also use the wooden spoon. And we're going to break up our egg yolks to begin with. And then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So if you happen to have odd size measuring cups, these are great. Otherwise, just use a 1/2 and a 1/4 cup measuring spoon. And hopefully your eggs won't spill out like that. And we're just going to whisk together the eggs and sugar. This is going to create a very solid mass to begin with. So you want to persevere and get that sugar fully incorporated into the eggs. You know, it's going to be thick mixture. You might also want to use a slightly larger bowl for this. But as you can see, it is starting to come together and become a little bit looser. You want to make sure that you don't get any sugar trapped in corners or in the wire whisk itself. So you just want to get that out of there. That's why if you have a larger bowl, you can also use a spoon to beat it. It's going to work just as well as the wire whisk. And then we will be on to our next step.